The Hereafter 14. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on a person whose company went bankrupt after they faced some difficulties and the regrets they had over this issue. It is important for Muslims to understand that whenever they face any type of worldly failure or regrets, they should remind themselves of the regrets in the hereafter people will have, such as the one mentioned in chapter 89 Al-Fajr, verse 24.
He will say, "Oh, I wish I had sent ahead some good for my life."
In this world, one's regret will always be followed by another chance or other options which they can pursue in order to gain success once again. But the regret and failure of the hereafter is something which cannot be rectified, meaning there are no second chances in the next world. No one will have the opportunity to return to earth in order to act differently. Therefore, every Muslim should be more concerned with the failures they may encounter in the hereafter over the failures and regrets of this world. This does not mean one should not strive to achieve lawful success in this world. It means they should always prioritize gaining success in the hereafter over gaining success in this world. This is an important mentality Muslims should adopt before they reach a day where reflecting on their failures and regrets will not help them in the slightest. Chapter 89 Al-Fajr, verse 23.
And brought within view that day is hell. That day man will remember, but what good to him will be the remembrance?
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.